Good day and welcome to Chemistry Tutorials with Tutor Emmanuel. Please kindly subscribe to our channel or follow our social media page depending on the social media network you are watching this video from. So today we are going to be solving this question, and the question reads thus. A gas occupies 500 centimeter cube at 27 degrees Celsius and 700 millimeter mercury. What volume will it occupy at standard temperature and pressure? That's STP. Okay, so let's solve this question. This is a question under one of the gas laws, or combination of gas laws. Now, it's actually a question under the general gas equation, which is derived from combination of Boyle's law and Charles' law. So how do we solve this? Let's bring out the parameters shown there. The first volume is 500 centimeter cube because a gas occupies 500 cm cube at a temperature of 27 degrees Celsius, which must be converted to kelvins. That will give me 300 kelvins, and of course at a pressure of 700 millimeter mercury. So the question now says, what volume, that is V2, will the gas occupy at STP? Now, at standard temperature and pressure, there is a constant value for volume, temperature, and pressure. But because the question requests to look for the volume, we are not going to make use of the constant value of volume in this particular question. However, we are going to make use of the constant at STP for temperature and pressure. So for temperature, it is 273 kelvins, and for pressure, when measured in millimeter mercury at STP, is 760 millimeter mercury. Assuming the unit is ATM to be 1 ATM, that's atmospheres. And if it's Newton per meter squared, it will have been 1.01 times 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter squared. But because it's in millimeter mercury, this is the constant we are going to be using. So the general gas equation formula now over T1 equals to P2 V2 over T2. So I will make V2 subject of formula from here. And you agree with me that if I make it subject of formula, I'm going to have P1 V1 T2 all over P2 C1. All you have to do first is cross multiply, then divide by the coefficient of V2. You are going to have this. Let's put in the parameters. P1 is what?